Hello. So we are back. Saturday, and I have a customer job here. So check here. Yeah? This is a nice laptop. This is a nice one. i7, probably NVIDIA graphics, MSI. This is a nice one. And the customer is saying, motherboard fault, battery is disconnected, plus donor board. You can't believe the customer sent me a motherboard for spares. I mean, we should be able to fix this. I mean, 100%, right? Yeah. What the customer said, I believe this guy is skilled who sent me the, I don't know if it's a computer shop or not. He said he checked the motherboard and the power is going to a certain point and that's all. So let's open this quickly and have a look inside. Okay, so the laptop is open. Oh, that's the battery. Okay. And the motherboard is looking fine. It's nice. Huh? So can you spot anything wrong here on this board? So what we are checking first? First, we are checking the main power rail. That can be a reason why we cannot fix this. Yeah. I mean, if we have a faulty CPU or GPU or chipset, then yeah. So the main power rail is not shorted. You can believe that? No, the main power rail is not shorted. Oh lol. No, it's not short. No, it's not short. Wow. Plug in the charger. Seems to be fine. I mean, even I see like 10 milliamps, which is like the 3.3 on the IO chip, which looks fine. But we can check that. Let's see, we have here a BIOS chip, and it's no voltage. Okay, that's fair. The power button is not here. Nothing. 1.8, that's good. Nothing. 1.8. 1.5. 1.4. Why? What is this? Let's take out the motherboard and check, you know, because we really have to check the 3.3 and everything, yeah? But the main power rail is present. That means we have a good CPU and GPU. Okay, so we took the board out. That's the motherboard. Let's plug the charger again. Let's first check the 3.3 on the IO chip. So on the IO chip, we have nothing. I mean, how we are finding the 3.3? You have a few capacitors around the EC chip. You can see them. Yeah. And you should have 3.3 on them. But we have nothing. Like nothing. Okay. Let me unplug the charger. That's the next step. Let me switch to beeping mode. And let's check to ground to see if those capacitors are shorted. Short. Yeah, so check here. 0 ohms, 6 ohms. Why do you think that capacitor has 6 ohms? Why do you think this one has 6 ohms? Why do you think this one has 6 ohms? And why do you think this one has 6 ohms? Huh? Why do you think that? Nah, the EC chip is dead. Check that. Yeah. So the EC chip is getting hot. I mean, it's not even point to take the thermal camera because I can feel it. I can feel it warm. Yeah, it's taking 350 milliamps. I can feel it warm. So what do we have here? We have a dead EC chip. We don't need flux. No, not now. I have to come with the heat from this side because on the other side we have a connector. So we took out the EC chip easily. Told you it's easy. That's the EC chip. Just have in mind the EC position, you know, like the pin number 1, which is here. Good. So how we are soldering the EC chip quickly? It is a way to solder quickly. Yeah, it is a way. It's a shortcut. That's how it's called. You try to take shortcuts, and you know something, the shortcut goes wrong, and yeah, you know the story. But hopefully this time it will goes fine. Perfect. Okay, it is solder perfect or not? Let's check the voltage on the same capacitor like before. And we have nothing. I mean, nothing. I can't believe. So you see, it's not only diode chip, something else is burned. Probably the 3.3 volts power supply. That was the reason why the power supply was not taking like around 140, 150 milliamps, having the EC chip shorted. Probably is here on the other side. Let me check on the other side. Yeah, it must be this one. Yeah, it must be this one, right? Yeah, it must be this one. I think. Not sure. You know what? Someone replaced it. So check here, check here, check here. So someone believe this chip is shorted. Check that. Check the chip is not even soldered. Check that. You can see? You can't see. Check that. Yeah. So check the pads. The pads, they have no solder on it. You can see. So what happened? This chip was getting hot, and the guy who tried to fix it, he thought, oh, this chip is shorted, and we have to replace it. That's the reason why we have no solder on the pads. So someone replaced this chip, and this either is not soldered properly or is actually faulty. Let me take out the extra solder. Good. A little bit of flux. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. So the chip is soldered properly now. Yeah, it is soldered. It is. So on the EC chip we have, check that, check on the screen, 3.3. Yeah. So the chip was good, but was not soldered properly on the place. So what do we have to do now? Nothing, just press the power button, which is, wow, the CPU is getting hot. I mean, it's burning my finger. 2.2 amps. I can't hold it. We have picture on the screen, you can see. We have picture. Yeah, I can't hold it. And we have the BIOS menu, you can see on the screen. So this laptop is fixed. Okay, fantastic. I'm happy I helped the customer. Good. So I'll stop here. I'll say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, like always, and see you on the next one. And by the way, this is nice. Yeah, if you send me a job, send me a board for spares. That's absolutely beautiful. Bye.